Hi, I'm Ralph, a developer for simulation platform SimCentral, and during my career I've been working with almost all commercial process simulators that exist. I'm now part of the group that implemented the distillation capability that we're going to release with version 2.0. And when we formulate unit operations, like a distillation tower, we apply exactly the same model writing environment that we also make available to the users, really. There's no compiling involved, no linking, no third-party programming, and that makes our development cycles really fast. And now let me show you a few distillation highlights. First, we can relate column variables across an entire process without the need for additional flowsheet controllers, like this downstream overhead composition related to that upstream reflux ratio. And here is a detail. We handle column pressures as variables and not as fixed parameters. It is so easy to specify a condenser temperature instead of its pressure and have the program tell you what its pressure profile should be. This is really fast. Next, we can seamlessly move a distillation column from conceptual design to basic engineering and detailed engineering. And as a user, it is very easy to switch the model back and forth, or better to say forth and back between steady state and fluid flow and dynamic simulation. And finally, the continuously solved solving method, which delivers instantaneous results, proves to be extremely robust. It even solves the dry trace, and I've seen legacy process simulations having real issues with that. Distillation is essential to any process design, and I think we have laid a quite strong foundation here.
Hi, I'm Fernanda, a technical sales consultant for process simulation. I'm based in São Paulo and I work with customers in the Latin America region. I am really excited about this new distillation capability in SimCentral simulation platform. When I saw it, I wanted to simulate a complete process, but then I thought, is SimCentral ready now? I really wanted to know. So I decided to simulate a Cumene process based on a publication I found. It has 2 distillation columns, a tubular cooled reactor, and multiple recycles. This is a very complex flow sheet, but as SimCentral solves continuously, we don't have to worry about solvability. Also, the simulation can represent the actual P&ID, so we can map each equipment object to a detailed engineering database. Reactors are another example about how powerful and friendly SimCentral is. I've modeled a reactor using the model writing environment in SimCentral. You can add variables and equations as you're writing an Excel spreadsheet. It's quite intuitive. Now, talking about the simulation life cycle, engineers will be able to bring the dynamic simulation early in process design, which is not commonly available. For example, users can reduce relief load early on, and more than that, you can analyze the controllability much earlier in the life cycle. So if it's something not easy to control, just come back to steady state mode, resize, and you don't have to maintain 2 separate simulations. You can interactively optimize process and control design, going back and forth between dynamic and steady state mode, which allows you to evaluate the capital costs and compares with the operating costs. This will definitely enable new workflows in process and control design, making companies much more efficient and competitive in their business.